Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today we're going to be making a female pant. This is a requested video, and please, if this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bells so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So this is the pattern paper I draft out in one of my videos. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it first to know how to draft the pattern so you understand what I'm doing before you watch this. It will be of good help to you. So I will put the link in the description box below. This is the back pattern and this is the front one. I'm using roughly 2 meters of fabric, 60 inches by length. I don't think I will be able to consume that 2 meters of fabric for this trouser. So we will lay the fabric on the table. So I'm going to turn it to the right, to the wrong side. We have to transfer the pattern to the fabric. So I'll go ahead and fold my fabric into two. I'm using a stretchy fabric. So this is the front panel. I'll lay it against the fabric. I'll cut out the front one first. So I will cut it out. So I cut out two for the front one. So I'll go ahead and fold the fabric into two again to cut the back side. This is the back panel. Cutting it out the same way I cut out the front one. So these two panels are for the front. So this is the back one. So I will cut the waistband. I'm cutting out the waistband according to the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 36 inches. Then I'll be adding extra 2 or 3 inches to it. The wideness is 2 inches. I'm using 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I'm cutting out the waistband. So we are done with the cutting. I finished cutting everything out. So we go ahead and put the fabric together. I will pin this crotch line together. This is the back side. I'll pin it by 1/2 inch. So I'm adding invisible zip to the side of the pant. I'm pinning it 1/2 inch. So I'll pin the front panel also. We sew the crotch line here. I will sew it 1/2 inch, the front one, and I will sew the back one also 1/2 inch. So I finished sewing the crotch line. I will turn the fabric like so. So I make sure the right side are facing each other. I will pin the both sides. I'll do the same thing to this side. So I'm not adding pockets to this pant. So I will sew this side 1/2 inch and sew the other side 1/2 inch also. I finished sewing the both side and I left about 8 inches unsewed. Yeah, I left about 8 inches unsewed. This is where I will insert my zip. I will turn it to the wrong side. So I will hold the crotch, pin them down together. I'm pinning 1/2 inch. I've hemmed the button of the trouser. I cut out 2 inches for folding. Then I use 1/2 inch to sew it. It's 1.5 inches for folding. So we sew here 1/2 inch here. Come to this side. I'll start sewing it from here. I'll sew it right from the crotch line here. Sew it to the side. Then I will sew this one to the other side. After I've done that, I will attach my invisible zip. I'll pin it to the fabric and then sew it with 1 inch and 1 inch on the side. So guys, I finished sewing this side and I also have attached the invisible zipper. Remember, I cut out the waistband. I added the soft interface into it, and I sew the side here and turn it to this side. I left 1/2 inch unsewed, so this will be for the sewing allowance. This 1/2 inch I left unsewed on this side and 1/2 inch on this side will be for the sewing allowance. So we go ahead now and attach it to the pants. I've opened the side zip. I attach it like so. This is the wrong side of the pants of the trouser, and this is the right side of the belt. I'll pin 1/2 inch around the waistline. So I will sew around the waistline. After sewing it, I will turn this to this side and fold this inside again and sew it around again. Finish attaching the waistband. So I just pin this place. I will either attach a button here or attach a hook and eye here. Here's the down part. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching my video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.